Yeah.
Hey, look, go follow me at ItskIyab on Instagram. ITSKIYAB. I got you.
All
Alright, look.
Oh, wow.
photos, and then I'm taking pictures of the car next to it, and I'm like, bro, these things are coming out crazy. Yeah, tell me what this is. Oh, hold on. Yo, what up, bro? All right. Oh, man. What's your drive? Let me see that thing.
Oh, well, it's at my house. I heard about my own boss.
Let me see that thing, man. Hey, come on. What's on that? We're going to go see his mom's car, man. Oh, okay. Hey, we're about to see a Honda Palisade. Hey,
why are you playing the Palisade's clean, bro?
Oh God! Wait for these photos to come out. Yeah, I'll do a free photo. We're doing free photos for everybody who asks for them.
Can I get some?
Nah, I hate Hellcat. That it. That fire. Yo! That bitch is clean! Oh! Nice shit! You mind if I get a second few photos? Oh, sure. Ah, bet. Alright. Hell yeah! Hell yeah! That one's fire! You can see literally the way I fucking filmed that shit. You can tell that bitch going viral, right?
Oh, dude. I mean, but didn't you film yourself?
No, hell no. I don't do filming. He just takes photos of me.
Oh, okay,
Yeah. You want for the photo? It's a live photo. You want to plug your shit?
Plug my
I think I'm getting 60 photos a second right now.
Really?
Yeah.
Plug your shit.
Well, follow me on IG at Keontae Satcher. That's KEONTAE
Talking about the SAT, where did you get on yours?
SAT?
Yep.
What talking about, like SRT or SAT? I'm both.
Oh, SAT, like the like high school testing.
Oh, nah.
Oh, you didn't do it?
Oh, I mean, I did though, but I did it a long time ago, back in 2018.
No shit. You know, I'm a 2018 graduate too.
Oh, word?
That means us brothers.
Yeah.
Damn you!
Alright.
Hey, best friends for life!
Yeah.
You know what? I like this guy. Hold on, you took
that, huh?
See that 170?
Oh, before they put some shit on the car. Put some modification film that bitch out. I think it's
Yeah, that's my zero one right here. Zero.
Yeah, I think it's a rental. Hey! I think it's a rental!
Let me hear it.
I think since the top's open, it won't remote start.
Yeah, right on that dude back.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Fun, man.
What that?
You have fun, man.
Yeah, I have fun.
Yeah.
That was crazy though.
Yeah.
Man. That was fire.
Yeah. promise you I make some good content and y'all won't regret it, man. Hey, I love it. It's what I do. I'm in my element, man. Hey, shout out to my boy Christian, man. Super cool dude, man. Y'all keep on following him. Keep on supporting him, man. We couldn't do it without y'all, man. I appreciate it. My God.
Yeah, check.
You got 700 people live watching him right now.
All right.
What's up, bro?
YouTube channel, Big Rock.
Yeah, man. Hey, look, man, look. Y'all like fast cars, street cars, all that type of stuff, man. Y'all make sure y'all go to Big Rob TV, BIGROBB TV, all one word.
Yeah.
Street content, race cars, street cars, track cars, all that, man. Car mall. We just like to go fast, man. So with that being said, hey, I appreciate the support, man.
All right.
Yes, sir.
All right.
What's your name, bro?
Johnny.
Johnny, what's your name? Keontae.
My YouTube name is JMP, 1989.
JMP?
1989.
1989. What you do on there?
Car soul.
Yeah?
Yeah.
This gonna be on there?
Yeah.
You said JHP?
JMP.
JNP.
1989.
Still have time to get some 50-50 if you want.
Yeah.
You right there?
Yeah, let me go
All
there.
right, I got you, bro.
All right.
Appreciate it, man.
I'm from Montgomery.
I'm from Selma, bro. But I've been here for I've been in Montgomery for like 10 years, though.
Yeah. I know that Jeep though, clean.
Yeah, appreciate it, man. Appreciate it.
I seen.
Appreciate it.
Can I take a picture with you?
Yeah, go ahead, man.
You want me to take it?
Oh, sure.
Okay.
Well, actually, you know what? Give me the camera.
Out of these three,
Yeah.
I think that like Challenger was the best.
Yeah.
Like, you know, man, like Charger comes second place.
Yeah.
And then the Mustang, like, ain't got no twin turbo.
Yep.
Yep.
All right.
Yeah, man. That's it.
All right.
Becky Moses.
Ain't nothing but a heartache. Tell me why.
Nothing but a
Mistake. Tell me why. Hey.
Oh, I mean, I don't know what the third part though.
I'm gonna be honest with you, bro. I've heard the song maybe like 80 times in my life, and I remember none of it.
Yeah.
But like, tell me why ain't nothing but a heartache. Tell me why ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why I gotta wanna hear you say I want it that way. Damn. We stunting on them. We stunting. Bro, nice meeting you guys. All right. For real.
All right.
Alright.
Yeah. Okay, we got one choice left. A nice Car Quest hat donated by Durbin's Auto. 1934. The very last one. It is a nice hat. It is. This is a nice hat. I have two of them. Okay, that's it on the regular door prizes. Now, the ones that bought 50-50. I got to tell y'all, everybody that's been to the Montgomery Easter. It's the reason we're here. Easter is what happened. I think Easter Sunday, and that's what it's all about. So everybody remember that.